For today's video, testingin natin ngayon itong Mixstream Pro from Numark. Ito yung unang edition ng Mixstream Pro na standalone na prinilus ata ng Numark. So, meron akong na-discover or technically napanood to sa isang YouTube vlogger na ginamitan niya ng power bank yung Mixstream Pro niya. At tinesting niya kung ganong katagal i-run ng power bank na to, itong Mixstream Pro na to. So, ito is parang follow-up update na lang kasi parang hindi ko ata napanood yung follow-up videos niya regarding sa yung duration nga, yung length ng power bank na to, kung gaano katagal niyang i-drive itong Mixstream Pro. So ito, gumamit ako ng power cable. So siya, yung 5.5 mm by 2.1 connector via USB. So tingnan natin ngayon, i-run natin ang full volume, naka-max volume siya, tapos tingnan natin kung ilang oras ba tatagal itong power bank na to. So actually itong specs ng battery is 100 watts o 110 watts total. So meron siyang tatlong port, isang USB-C na 18 watts out, tapos merong 45 watts na out, number 2, and then meron yung charging niya, tsaka in and out, which is 100 watts. So ito ang gagamitin natin kasi ito ang gagamitin natin, 45 watts out para i-drive itong Mixstream Pro natin. Okay, let's give it a try. Okay, so meron akong external hard drive. May mga dito natin kukunin yung mga music natin. Although meron naman akong subscription sa Tidal, pero ito na lang mas maganda para medyo mahaba-haba. Tira na lang natin ng continuous. Natin dito. And then tusok natin tong power bank. Okay, let's see. So, lagay natin ng paganyan para at least is makikita nyo kung ilang percentage na ang nababawas ang battery. Okay, let's go. Let's do this. Okay, right now the time is 10:20. Mga igan, 10:20. So we're gonna start playing this Mixstream Pro music, and then update ko kayo after kung hanggang kailan maubos itong juice dito sa power bank na to. Wall boy. Max ya. Big bang.
It's the king, the train, the train. Let's go, a big sound. Hey, it's the king, the train, the train. in it. Start back, I get drunk in it. Start back, I get drunk in it. Start pushing what? I get drunk in it. Run around it, I get drunk in it. Start a bomb in it, I get drunk in it. Start a bomb in it. Oh, what's that click that you going up inside? Oh, what's that click that you represent west side? Oh, what's that click that you going up north side? Oh, what's that click that you represent south side? I get drunk inside, get drunk side. I get drunk west side, get drunk side. I get drunk north side, get drunk side. I get drunk south side, get drunk side.
Who am I? I'm Bohagan, be a me, represent a heaven center. Who enter this hole as the runner? A step away from the top, a step away from the block, a step away from shooting or getting shot. Glad to both, we broke back, but you think we could slack.
Guys, I forgot to mention, ang power bank natin is 100% fully charged siya.
Well, hop in the bucket and haul ass. She was late cause I see you was creeping the tall grass. I bust them all bad, repeated that, and beat it that. Try to make that motherfucker believe and need it that. I'm a pimp, I'm a gangster, all deep, I'm muddy. And I'm real wide, baby girl, show me some love. We gon' drink real good and blow deep some blood. Bohagan, you don't give a damn, he don't give a
Oh, what's that click that you going up inside? Oh, what's that click that you represent west side? Oh, what's that click that you going up north side? Oh, what's that click that you represent south side? Oh, get drunk inside, get drunk side. I get drunk west side, get drunk side. I get drunk north side, get drunk side. I get drunk south side, get drunk side. You from the south side, represent that. You from the Midwest, represent that. You from that East Coast, represent that. You from the West Coast, represent that. Let go your freedom, say high in the sky. Let go your water, high in the sky. Let go your water, high in the sky. Let go your sex up, high in the sky. Get drunk in it, shake your dreads in it. Get drunk in it, throw some balls in it. Get drunk in it, start back. Get drunk in it, start back. Get drunk in it, start pushing. Get drunk in it, run around it. Get drunk in it, start a bomb. Get drunk in it, start a bomb. Oh, what's that click that you going up inside? Oh, what's that click that you represent west side? Oh, what's that click that you going up north side? Oh, what's that click that you represent south side? Oh, get drunk inside, get drunk side. I get drunk west side, get drunk side. I get drunk north side, get drunk side. I get drunk south side, get drunk side.
Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Time check. 12:35. And yung battery remaining natin is 71% remaining pa. So, nag-start tayo ng, I believe, 10:20. So, it's running 2 hours now. And it's, so yung battery usage is almost about 30%. That sounds good. Right. So, we'll come back later and probably in an hour or two para check natin kung how many battery left in this power bank. Okay.
Who's gonna make the next move?
So time check, it's 3:05, and battery remaining sa power bank natin is 34%. So so I guess pwede ko nang i-stop to. Tingin ko siguro sa 34% na yan. Probably I can still drive the Numark Mixtrim Pro for about another hour. So I think, yeah, okay to, power bank na to. That's good. Very nice.
Days college, you ain't did nothing I ain't did. Nigga paid homage. I paid the job.
120. 120. So I think we are running 4.5 hours now kasi nag-start tayo ng 10:20. So ayos, another 1 hour. I think 34% kaya pang i-drive. So I'm guessing itong power bank na to kaya niyang i-drive ang Mixtrim Pro ng 5 hours straight, which is good. Very nice. All right, thank you guys.